Hello students, today we start chapter number 1 of NCERT biology book, that is reproduction in organism. As we know, period of birth to natural death of an organism represent lifespan. No individual is immortal except single cell organisms. Here, lifespan of some organism are given: elephants 60 to 70 years, rose plant 100 years, banana tree 2 to 4 years, cow 20 to 25 years, dog 15 years, banyan tree 400 years. Whatever may be the lifespan, death of every individual organism is a certainty. That is, no individual is immortal except single cell organism. In all organism, reproduction is the process that ensure their continuity on earth. The continuity of life on earth is achieved by the process of reproduction. Reproduction, defined as it is a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones or offspring. Reproduction enables the continuity of a species generation after generation. Reproduction are of two types: asexual reproduction. It is the reproduction by single parent without formation of gametes. Sexual reproduction. It is the reproduction in which two parents of opposite sex involves with the formation and fusion of gametes. Asexual reproduction. The offspring developed by asexual reproduction are exact copy of their parents. They are genetically identical, hence they are termed as clone. Asexual reproduction is common in unicellular organisms, in plants and in animals having simple organizations. Binary fission. The single cell organism of kingdom Monera and Proteasta reproduced by simple cell division called binary fission. The cell divides into two halves, each half developed into an adult. Here, binary fission in amoeba is shown. Amoeba divides and forms two daughter cells. Budding. In yeast, the cell division is unequal. Small buds are produced. Initially, these are attached to the parent cells, later separates and develop into new individual. In Hydra, a small outgrowth form bud. Zoospores. These are motile asexual zoospore of algae. They use flagellum for locomotion. They form a new plant. Gemmules. These are internal buds of freshwater sponges. They resist drought, high temperature, freezing, lack of oxygen, etc. Vegetative production in plants. Asexual reproduction in plant is termed as vegetative propagation. Naturally, it occurs by runners, rhizome, suckers, tuber, offset, bulb, etc. First is rhizome. It is the modified underground stem. If a rhizome is separated into pieces, each piece may be able to give rise to a new plant. Example, ginger and canna. Suckers. It is a basal shoot. Root sprouts adventitious shoot. It grows from a bud at the base of a tree, shrubs, or from its root. Example, cherry, apple. Tubers. Tubers are modified plant structures that are enlarged to store nutrients. These are short, thickened underground stems. It bears minute scale leaves with a bud. It has the ability for developing into a new plant. Example, potato. Offset. Offset is a small, virtually complete daughter plant that asexually produced on the mother plant. Example, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth is rapidly reproduced by vegetative method. In short period, it drains oxygen from water that lead to death of fishes. Hence, it is considered as water weed. It also called terror of Bengal. Bulb. A bulb is a short stem with fleshy leaves or leaf bases. Example, onion, garlic, etc. Bulbs serve as a mean of vegetative propagation. Sexual reproduction. It involves the formation of male and female gamete in same individual or different individual of opposite sex, all organism reaches the stage of growth and maturity before they reproduce sexually. Juvenile phase in animals, the period of growth to attain maturity is called juvenile phase. In plant, it is called vegetative phase. In angiosperms, end of vegetative phase complete as soon as they start flowering. Senescent phase. The end of reproductive phase is called senescence phase or old age. After this, individual dies. Flowering in plant. In annual and biennial plants, flowering is once or twice in a year. In these plants, vegetative reduction and senescent phase are clearly identified. Example, rice, wheat, marigold, etc. In some plants, flowering occurs several times in a particular season. In some plants, flowering occurs only once in a lifetime. After that, plants dies. Example, bamboo flowers after 50 to 100 years. Kurangi, Strobylithus kunthiana flowers once in a 12 years. Events in sexual reproduction. Pre-fertilization events. It involves the gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Post-fertilization event. It involves the formation of zygote and embryogenesis. Gametogenesis. It is the process of formation of male and female haploid gametes, homogametes or isogametes. These morphologically similar male and female gametes, heterogametes. These morphologically different male and female gametes, antherozoids or sperm, male gametes, egg or ovum called female gamete. Reproduction cycle in animals. Reproduction in animal is seasonal. Birds lay eggs only in a specific season. The placental animal exhibit reproductive cycles that lead to change in ovary and hormones level. Ostrich cycle. It is the reproductive cycle of non-primate animals like cows, dogs, rats, tiger, etc. These animals are reproductively active only in a specific season, hence these are called seasonal breeders. Menstruational cycle. It is the reproductive cycle of primates like monkey, ape and humans. These are reproductively active throughout their reproductive phase, hence these are called continuous breeders. Here, chromosome numbers in meiocytes of some organism are given. Gamete have half chromosome number. Sexuality in organism. Homothelic or monoecious. It is the bisexual condition in fungi and plant. In this, both male and female reproductive structure are present in a single individual. Heterothelic or dioecious. It is the unisexual condition in plants. In this, male and female reproductive parts are found in different flowers. Male flower staminate bears only stamens. Female flowers pistillate bears only pistil. Monoecious and dioecious plant. Example for monoecious plants, cucurbita. Examples for dioecious plant, papaya and date palm. Sexuality in animals. Hermaphrodite or bisexual animals. Animals having male and female reproductive organ. Example, tapeworm, earthworm, sponges, leeches, etc. Unisexual animals. Animals having only male or female reproductive organs. Cockroach, insect, birds, fishes, amphibians and mammals. Haploid organism. The individual having only one set of chromosome in somatic cells. Monera, fungi, algae. Bryophyte has haploid plant body. Diploid organism. The individual having two set of chromosomes in somatic cells. Pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm and most of animals. In diploid organisms, the gamete form by meiosis. At the end of meiosis, haploid gamete forms. Transfer of gamete. In majority of organisms, male gametes are motile, female gametes are non-motile. In few fungus and algae, both male and female gametes are motile. In algae, bryophyte and pteridophyte, male gamete moves in water to reach female gametes. The large number of male gametes are failed to reach female gametes. To compensate this loss, male gamete are produced several thousand times to female gamete. In bisexual self-fertilizing plants, pollen grains are easily transferred to stigma. In unisexual and cross-fertilizing plants, pollination occurs by media like insect, air, bird, etc. Fertilization or syngamy. It is the process of fusion of male and female gamete that results in the formation of zygote, parthenogenesis. It is the development of new individual without fertilization. Example: honeybee, some lizards, turkey birds, etc. The seedless fruit are called parthenocarpic fruits. Zygote. The fusion of haploid male and female gamete results in the formation of diploid zygote in fungi and algae. The zygote formed has thick cell wall. It helps to resist the unfavorable condition. External fertilization. In this, fusion of male and female gamete occur outside the body in water media. Example: aquatic organism like algae, fishes, amphibians. The disadvantages of external fertilization: organism produce large number of gamete. The predator destroys egg and offsprings. The survivability of offspring to adult is less. Internal fertilization. In this, fusion of male and female gamete occurs inside the female body. Examples: seed plants, gymnosperm and angiosperm, terrestrial animals. In haplontic life cycle, example: algae, Volvox, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. Zygote divide by meiosis to form haploid spores. These spores develop into haploid. In diplontic plant, gymnosperm, angiosperm, zygote undergoes mitosis to develop into diploid dominant sporophyte. Embryogenesis. It is the process of development of embryo from zygote. The zygote undergoes division and differentiation into embryo. Oviparous egg-laying animal. The reptile, birds lay eggs in safe environment. After incubation, young one hatches out. In oviparous, embryogenesis takes place outside the body. Viviparous animals that give birth to young ones. Most of mammal except Prototheria, egg-laying mammal, are viviparous. These are placental animals. In these, embryogenesis takes place inside the female body. Because of proper embryo care and protection, the chance of survivability of young ones are more in viviparous than oviparous. Post-fertilization changes in flowers. After zygote formation, the sepals, petals and stamens of flowers fall off. In some plants like tomato, brinjal, sepal persist with fruit. The zygote develops into embryo. The ovule develops into seed. The ovary develop into pericarp. Here, few kinds of fruits showing seeds with protective pericarp. Now, this is the end of first chapter. Thank you.